OH, CH2OH plus HCl, heat. Okay, then number 3. So keep doing, start doing this question. And O2, nitro group, and CH2, CH3, reacting it with bromine, heat, or UV light. So 3 here ke huncha answer. Try to do this one. First one, anyone with the answer? Very easy, first one.
Ma'am, OH को place मा Cl हुन्छ ma'am.
Okay, very good. So you will get chlorocyclohexane. Okay, 1 chlorocyclohexane as a product. Okay, number 2, anyone? Number 2. So HCl, sir. Okay, so again what happened is substitution reaction will occur. But here you can see duita OH group, one attached to phenyl ring, okay, and one attached to alkyl group. And यो जुन चाहिँ छ, so यो जुन चाहिँ bond हुन्छ O and carbon, so this is like partially double bond, so like substitution reaction here is quite difficult. Wait, so त्यसले गर्दा what happen is जुन चाहिँ OH attached to alkyl group, that will get substituted by Cl. Okay, so what would be your product? Benzene ring, then OH, CH2, Cl. Okay, so third one, anyone? Bromine. And heat. So you have already done this, or UV light. So what would be the product? Aryabrat, Kavita, Lisa, Pankaj, only 4, 5 are there. So Pradeep and Abhishek ta quarantine ma raisa. Yeah? Anyone? So anyone? So this is bromine, UV light or heat, sir. Okay, so bromination will like occur. Kahan occur garcha? To this aliphatic carbon. Where you junche alkyl group ko carbon ma your what happen is free radical reaction will occur. So hydrogen radical will get substituted with Br. So tesko lagi you should know like how many types of carbon are present. So this you have already done. So type like here, so like CH2 and CH3, so both are different. So let this be A and B. So there are 2 type of carbon atom in this molecule. So that means you'll be getting 2 isomer. Euta A ko hydrogen lai replace garcha, अर्को B ko hydrogen lai. So what is your product? Benzene ring. Aruma there will be no change. Okay. यहाँ जुन चाहिँ CH2 छ, so यहाँबाट 1 like first मा, so you will be getting 2 isomer. So first यो A carbon बाट hydrogen replace हुन्छ by bromine, र अर्को isomer मा you will be getting यता N2O N नाइट्रो ग्रुप मैले प्यारामै लेखेको छु, पोजिसन अलिकति चेन्ज गर्दै यो प्यारामा छ भनेपछि दिस पोजिसनमा तिम्रो अल्काइल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेन्ट. सो CH2 CH2 and Cl. त्यहाँदेखि सेकेन्ड आइसोमरमा B बाट, ओके, सेकेन्ड आइसोमरमा B बाट तिम्रो के हुन्छ, हाइड्रोजन विल गेट सब्स्टिट्युटेड बाइ ब्रोमिन रेडिकल. ओके, सो दिस यु हेभ डन. यो गरेको छ तिमीले फर्स्ट थर्ड फोर्थ क्लासेसमा गरेको छ दिस वान. सो होपफुली यु हेभ अन्डरस्टुड. बुझेन भने भन. नेक्स्ट क्वेसन छ बुझ्दैछ नंबर 4 benzene ring. This one is like benzene ring. CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr, and here we are using peroxide. Now try to predict the product as we have done this several times. This is addition reaction, addition of HBr with peroxide. So what would be the product? Identify the product. सक्नु पर्ने हो कविता rest को छ try to do this.
Ma'am, benzene ring that CH2 CH2.
Okay, CH2 CH2
CH2 and Br.
Very good, excellent. So here like addition will follow anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay. Curves rule. So for that reason, so you will be getting these as a product. So 1 bromo 3 phenyl propane as your product. Number 5 masa. So this is like cyclohexene. It's not benzene ring. Grammary ela cyclohexene. Bromine again. And we are using heat or UV light. Try to do this. Just now we did. Okay, just now we did. Try to do this one. Anyone with the answer? अब त सक्नुपर्छ because like several times we have done this and lots of practice we have done.
And Br will be added in cyclohexane and double bond will be removed.
No, wrong answer. Either you see heat or UV light use गरेको छ भने free radical reaction will occur. जुन चाहिँ substitution भयो नि free radical substitution reaction will occur. So यता addition हुँदैन. Okay, addition को लागि solvent we need carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide solvent use गर्छ. But here heating गर्दैछ or UV light. UV light छ भने free radical reactions हुन्छ. So anyone with the answer? So you need to identify the type of reactions out here. Anyone just now we did? भर्खरै गरेको छ.
Ma'am, एउटा माथि ma'am यता
Now you should identify the type of carbon atom, no? तिम्रो कतिवटा type of carbon atom छ that you need to identify. भयो? So यहाँ के छ तिम्रो? So यसलाई divide गर्दाखेरि okay, this carbon and this carbon like same ho, and this carbon same ho. So that means there are two type of carbon, so you will be getting two isomer out here. Now try to identify that two isomer.
Ma'am, ring
cyclohexane.
Yes.
Ma'am, दुईटा cyclohexane हुन्छ and ma'am first को चाहिँ ma'am यो A position मा Br हुन्छ and अर्को isomer को चाहिँ B position मा Br हुन्छ.
Yes, very good. This is your answer. So you'll be getting two isomer. Okay, your A first your A carbon को hydrogen लाई replace गर्छ, अर्को B carbon को hydrogen लाई replace गर्छ. So this is like free radical reaction हुन्छ UV light or heat छ भने. If solvent is there, okay, double bonds छ, then addition reaction will occur. Okay, यो एकदमै याद राख्नु पर्छ तिमीहरुले. Okay, then your 6 को anyone with the answer? Very easy one.
Ma'am, CH3 CH2 I and NaBr.
Yes, very good. So CH3 CH2. So this is Kilston reaction. So here bromine will get substituted by I, okay, and you will get byproduct as NaBr. Excellent. Now next questions are CH3, 3 carbon Br, okay. Then react it with magnesium, you will get A. Then react with water, you will get B. So this again we have done. So try to identify the product out here. Then CH3 whole 2 CHCl, sodium, then dry ether. What would be the product? Yes, first one, anyone with the answer?
CH3 3 CmgBr.
Okay, very good. So you'll be getting Grignard reagent out here. Okay, and B, anyone? B. So reacting your Grignard reagent with water, what would be the product?
CH3C only.
No, CH3. So you will get alkane. Okay, you will get alkane. तिम्रो MgBr उयो हुन्छ replace गर्छ हाइड्रोजनले. So you'll be getting alkane as a product. भयो. So कार्बन छ सबै सेमै हुन्छ, जस्ट तिम्रो MgBr को प्लेसमा आउँछ H, हाइड्रोजन. The next question छ CH3 whole 2 CH. Second question, try to do second question.
CH3 2CH NaCl.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, CH3. CH.
Yes.
Again CH.
Okay.
Ma'am, CH3.
CH3 whole 2. So this is like this reaction is Urge reaction. Okay, Urge reaction. So you will get alkane with double number of carbon atom. So timle once Cl hotao, rest your molecule ready ba, then draw the mirror image, you will get the molecule. Okay. Yeah, ठीक है. Then question number third question. Yes. CH3.
F.
Okay, so this is like Schwartz reaction. By Schwartz reaction. Oh. So here what happened? This is like preparation of fluoroalkane. So Br will get substituted by F. So these are the product. So you're very good. So very good response I'm getting today. The next question. Okay, yo slide gone Sarah. So just wait. Next question is this is cyclohexanone. Okay, यहाँ तिम्रो alkyl ester groups are CH2COCH3. This is like ester group attached. Then sodium borohydride. Now you should know what sodium borohydride is. हिजोस्ति गरेको छ sodium borohydride के हो, यसले के गर्छ. So reagent you should know in order to do this type of reaction. Okay, again sodium borohydride. So can anyone tell me what this sodium borohydride is? भन्नु सक्छ कसैले के हो sodium borohydride? So you can go through your notes. Sodium borohydride is like mild reducing agent. So mild reducing agent हो भयो. अब reduce कहाँदेखि के हुन्छ मैले भन्देको छु. Alcohol चाहिँ oxidize हुँदा aldehyde हुन्छ. Okay. Then aldehyde अझै oxidize भयो भने carboxylic acid मा convert हुन्छ. Now carboxylic acid, like when you do the reduction, okay, you will get aldehyde. Aldehyde, like when you do the reduction, you will get alcohol. अब यता तिम्रो group you should know. Aldehyde भन्दा नि aldehyde or ketones हुन्छ. So depend गर्छ तिम्रो alcohol कुन चाहिँ हो. Okay. अब यहाँ के छ? So you should identify the groups. So this is like ketone group. You have ketone group. Okay. And यहाँ के छ भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो ester छ. This is like ester जहाँ carbonyl carbon छ. Now यता के, so यो जुन चाहिँ NaBH4 हो, so this is like mild reducing agent. So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि, so it reduces only ketone. याद राख्नु. Sodium borohydride ले it reduces only ketone किनभने यो mild हो. हामीले strong reducing agent use गर्यो. Suppose हामीले if we use this one lithium aluminium hydride मैले लेखाएको छु है. र अझै एउटा छ हाइड्रोजन निकल र हाइड्रोजन प्यालेडियमले पनि एस्टरलाई रिड्युस गर्छ. बट सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड विल नट रिड्युस एस्टर. सो यहाँ एउटै मात्रै ग्रुप रिड्युस हुन्छ एन्ड द्याट इज कीटोन. ओके. नाउ व्हाट ह्यापन इज यो जुन चाहिँ CO ग्रुप छ जहिले पनि रिड्युस हुँदाखेरि याद गर्नु, रिड्युस हुँदाखेरि यु विल गेट COH किनभने चारटा बन्ड आउनु पर्यो. हाइड्रोजन एड हुन्छ, एउटा अक्सिजनमा एड हुन्छ, एउटा कार्बनमा एड हुन्छ. ओके. सो CO ग्रुप विल गेट कन्भर्टेड टु COH H र रिड्युस हुन्छ. अक्सिडाइज हुँदा यो तिम्रो अल्कोहल 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल विल कन्भर्ट टु कीटोन. सो दिस अगेन वी हैव डन. तिमीले खाता राम्ररी हेर भयो. सो कीटोन चाहिँ रिड्युस हुँदा 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल दिन्छ. 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल अक्सिडाइज हुँदा कीटोन हुन्छ भयो. सो यो चाहिँ याद गर्नु पर्यो. सो यहाँ दुईटा ग्रुप छ कीटोन एन्ड एस्टर. सिन्स सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड इज लाइक माइल्ड अक्सिडाइजिङ एजेन्ट, सो इट सिलेक्टिभली ओके रिड्युसेस कीटोन. सो त्यसले गर्दा कीटोन त कन्भर्ट हुन्छ OH. अब हाइड्रोजन नो नीड टु शो. ओके. Then you have like orco group as it is basa. C double bonded OOCH3 ester group as it is basa. Change huncha khali timro ketone to alcohol. ठीक है यो? Whereas aldehyde every time and timro primary alcohol. This is like primary alcohol when it get oxidized. Okay, you convert huncha timro aldehyde ma. र when it get reduced, तिम्रो aldehyde जब reduce हुन्छ, it will get converted to 1 degree alcohol. याद राख्नु 1 degree alcohol aldehyde मा convert हुन्छ. ओके. र 2 degree alcohol ketone मा. त्यसरी नै vice versa oxidize हुँदा reduce हुँदा like interconvertible हो. So you tell me what would be the answer for second question. यो एकदमै यिनीहरू यस्तो चीजहरु चाहिँ तिमीले टपमा लेखिराख्नु खाताको. सजिलो हुन्छ तिमीलाई आइडेन्टिफाई गर्नु प्रोडक्ट.
एल्डिहाइड चाहिँ उयो हुन्छ.
यस के हुन्छ? सो यु टेल मी द स्ट्रक्चर. भन कस्तो हुन्छ स्ट्रक्चर? There will be no change in the rest part. Khali CHO will change. Okay. So you tell me. So what would be the structure?
मैम C double bonded O हुन्छ.
अरे बाप रे, नहीं होगा बेटा, यो हुँदैन त्यसरी. खाली यो मैले भन्दैछु. So again sodium borohydride sir, this is mild reducing agent. Okay. So reducing agent group is aldehyde. Aldehyde will reduce to your alcohol. र कुन चाहिँ alcohol भन्दा primary अनि कुन चाहिँ primary हो भन्दा CH2OH. Okay. The rest part there will be no change. So CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. Your rest part ma there will be no change at all. चेन्ज कहाँ हुन्छ तिम्रो CHO will convert to CH2OH. यो जुन चाहिँ की पोइन्टहरु छ प्लिज कीप राइट दिस अन टप अफ योर कपी सो दैट तिमीले एभ्री टाइम यु व्हेन यु टर्न पेजेस त्यो पनि डिफरेन्ट कलरले लेख भाइ। यो यिनीहरु चाहिँ के हुन्छ तिमीलाई अब त्यो याद गर्ने कुरा अब यो सजिलो बनाउने कुरा है। यो चाहिँ आन्सर प्रेडिक्ट गर्नु सजिलो हुन्छ तिमीलाई ठिकै छ। सो दिस वुड बी द प्रोडक्ट। यता चेन्ज के भयो भन्दाखेरि तिम्रो CHO ओके चेन्ज भयो CH2OH मा रेस्टमा देयर आर नो चेन्जेस यो याद राख्नु ओके। नाउ थर्ड वान छ एन्ड थर्ड वान लाइक यु हेभ डबल बन्ड ओके एन्ड वाटर छ र एसिड। सो दिस इज लाइक हाइड्रेसन है यो हाइड्रेसन ओके। नाउ हाइड्रेसन भनेको के हो एडिसन अफ वाटर ओके एडिसन अफ वाटर। अब एडिसन कहाँ हुन्छ तिम्रो डबल बन्डमा एन्ड दिस विल फलो हिजो गरेको थियो हामीले अस्ति लास्ट क्लासमा हामीले वी हेभ डन लाइक हाइड्रोबोरेसन अक्सिडेसन रिएक्सन ओके। सो दैट इज अगेन हाइड्रेसन रिएक्सन हो एडिशन अफ वाटर बट दैट one will follow anti-Markovnikov's rule and this acid hydration it follows Markovnikov's rule. यो एकदम याद गर्नुपर्छ यिनीहरु यो चीजहरु नभए सक्दैन तिमीहरु प्रेडिक्ट गर्नु ओके। Now tell me what would be the product. So hydration हो water add हुन्छ कसरी एउटा H र अर्को OH. Now tell me the answer. Anyone? Addition follow Markovnikov's rule.
Ma'am, CH3.
Okay.
CH.
CH.
OH.
Okay. OH.
Then adding CH3.
Okay, very good. So you'll be getting 2-hydroxypropane as an answer. भाइ यिनीहरु चीजहरु तिम्रो मार्कोनिकव्स रुल कहिले फलो हुन्छ तिम्रो दुईटा चीजमा मात्र चाहिँ एउटा HBr हरुको केसमा चाहिँ एउटा यो एसिड हाइड्रेसन और हाइड्रोबोरेसन अक्सिडेसनमा चाहिँ मार्कोनिकव्स रुल एन्टी मार्कोनिकव्स रुल फलो हुन्छ त्यति चाहिँ तिमीले याद गर। अर्को रुल छ सेजेफ रुल छ त्यो डिहाइड्रेसन डिहाइड्रोहेलोजिनेसन रिएक्सनमा डिहाइड्रेसन रिएक्सनमा फलो हुन्छ दुईटा तीनटा रुल छ त्यो कुन कुन रिएक्सनमा युज हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ तिमीले एकदमै याद गर्नु पर्यो भाइ। त्यसोहरु तिमीले टपमा कहाँ एउटा अलग पेजमा कलर्ड पेनले लेख सो दैट नोट विल इज गोइङ टु हेल्प यु एट द एन्ड। द नेक्स्ट क्वेशन इज CS3 again. So this again you have done. अहिले भर्खर मैले कुरा गरे यसको. So B2H6. Okay. Number 2 ma. So we are reacting it with hydrogen peroxide OH minus. So this is hydroboration oxidation reaction. Predict the product. I told you which rule will be followed. What is this reaction? So you timale bhannu paryo. You tell me the answer. So this we have already done. Last class mein garisakeko cha.
Ma'am, CH3,
Yes.
CH2, CH2,
Okay,
OH.
CH3. Okay, CH2, CH2OH. So this is again hydration reaction. And in this case, anti-Markovnikov rule is followed. Okay, so you will be getting 1 hydroxy or not hydroxy. Okay, so sorry. Propane 1 all pauncha. ठिकै छ। सो यो तिमीले यस्तो कुराहरु चाहिँ एकदमै याद गर्नु सक्नु पर्यो नभए चाहिँ गयो। Now next is CH3 whole 3 CO C2H5. Now this is ether. Your ether. And reaction this one reacted with HI. What would be the product? So this we have done several times. Anyone? Anyone with the answers? We have already done this. Are ethero, HIO, cleavage will occur. CO bond will cleave. You'll be getting two products, alcohol and alkyl halide. So you should I am means able to identify like which halide and which alcohol you'll be getting. Luther, I've told you what you need to do. Only certain rule need to be followed, and that rule I've already given you all. So refer your notes. Okay. Ishina, just wait. Yeah. Okay. Banatalu. What would be the product?
CS3 3
Okay. Whole 3.
CS plus
C then.
OH
C क्यों चाहिए यहाँ से?
H
H. No, wrong.
Ma'am, I.
No. Allah, done. So here what happened is like cleavage will occur. Now where the cleave will means a bond will cleave banda ke liye, now you need to identify the type of carbon atom. Okay. Now so this carbon atom do not have any hydrogen. Okay. This carbon do not have any hydrogen. So this is like 3 degree. 3 degree carbon. But अब यो जुन चाहिँ ethyl छ, what is ethyl? Ethyl को formula हो CH2CH3. And this carbon which is attached to oxygen, this is like these have 2 hydrogen. These have 2 hydrogen. So this is like 1 degree. यो जुन चाहिँ carbon छ which is attached to oxygen, 1 degree alcohol, 1 degree carbon हो. So now where the cleavage will occur? So this we have done अरे कतिपल्ट गरेको. जहिले पनि higher degree of carbon र oxygen को बिचमा bond will cleave. जहाँ चाहिँ कार्बन जान्छ, जहाँ ऑक्सीजन छ त्यहाँ हाइड्रोजन जान्छ, rest part will go to the carbon. Okay, so you will be getting CH3 whole 3 CI. So this is one product र जहाँ O छ, so C2H5O यहाँ तिम्रो हाइड्रोजन जान्छ and you will be getting alcohol as a product. So यो छ तिमीहरुको यो मैले कतिपल्ट गरे तिमीहरु you are failing to like answer this question. यहाँ मुनि छ you try to do. Okay, now question छ next. This is phenol. Okay, then bromine use गर्दैछ र carbon disulfide which is like non-polar solvent. Water use गर्दाखेरि yes तिमीले भनेको छ 2,4,6 tribromophenol पाउँछ as a product. Okay, so carbon disulfide ma what would be the product? Anyone with the answer?
2 bromophenol plus
Yeah.
4 bromophenol.
Very good. 2 bromophenol plus, so selective means your mono-substituted product you will get when you use carbon disulfide as a solvent. Okay, so okay, these are the product. Very good, 2 isomer. Now question number 3. Anyone with the answer? Anyone? Again, this is like yo boy previously we have done your type of question ho. HBr cha ether ho. This is again ether. Now cleavage of CO bond will occur. तर कहाँ cleave हुन्छ, so that you should know. Anyone with the answer? अरे rules हरु मैले दिएको छु, you just turn your pages, refer your notes. Yes. Pankaj, do you have any answer? Do you have answer?
Benzene, then ma'am, Br will be added there.
No. So I've already told you, when your benzene ring O is there, so every time you'll be getting phenol. That this bond is like partially double bond and this is difficult to break. त्यसले गर्दा oxygen र alkyl group को carbon को bond will cleave. Okay, so एउटा phenyl ring छ भनेपछि इथरमा so एउटा product तिम्रो phenol हुन्छै हुन्छ, अर्को हुन्छ तिम्रो हेलाइड भयो, C2H5 मा जान्छ I, यो याद गर्नु पर्यो। र लास्ट वान, डु इट योरसेल्फ, यो गर्नु सक्छ तिमीहरूले, मैले माथि नै भनिदिएको छु। सो देयर आर लाइक 2 टाइप अफ कार्बन आउट देयर, आइडेन्टिफाई इट। नो त Today is like 23rd or 24th? Thursday, 23rd. 23rd, Abhishek. Anyone? Can't leave Unja bond.
Ma'am, you see.
Yeah, you need to first identify the type of like carbon atom, no? So your oxygen sanga, this carbon is attached and this carbon is attached. Okay? So first carbon kunche, what type of carbon is first carbon?
Ma'am, 1 degree.
Okay, this is 1 degree. And this one?
3 degree.
2
Yeah,
degree.
very good. So where the cleavage will occur then?
Ma'am, 3 degree.
Okay, so what would be your product?
Ma'am, CH3, CH3.
CH2. Okay, continue. CH3, CH2, त्यसको बादमा
CH2OH.
Very good. CH2OH plus अर्को के हुन्छ? You have like C, same लेख, no change गरिदेऊ. Okay, this is your second part. र यहाँ तिम्रो जान्छ I. So these are 2 halide, your alcohol and halide product you will be getting when you do the reaction of ether with hydrogen iodide. याद गर एकदमै. Okay, ether with hydrogen halide. Reaction के हुन्छ भन्दा oxygen and carbon को bond cleave हुन्छ. कसरी cleave हुन्छ? That rule is given to you. Go through that one, then only you will be able to answer or predict the product correctly. नभए सक्दैन, तिमीले पुरा मिस्टेक गर्दैछ। ठीक है, so this is okay, so then this is all for today. Tomorrow again we are going to have a class. Saturday you will be having test. Okay, MCQ questions only. So त्यो